When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write us to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why we receive such amazing reviews. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.